Do-do. How do we do this? Hmm. Hmm. Oh, wrong one. It was right. Control Alt Enter. There we go. Replace. Should not have any problems. And in the make file. Oops. Make file. There it is. Flags. Wrong one. Whoops. Ooh. Mas. What do I need to? It's there. What? Eh? That's... Whoops. What? Why did I do that? I... Okay, so now it's string. Was it ML strings? Wait, no, it's not. It's standard def. You just how do I? Config types for BFF is none. Int MiLa float internal. Previous declaration. That's the problem. Oh, I see. Let me just. It should be less, I guess. So here in math, it's because we have to, yeah, this. So we just need to, poof, and of course remove that. We can replace this with, we can add another one here. H. Yeah, there's less errors. That's good. In ML primitives, oh no, there. What? There we go. There we go. In what file? Paths. This is one of our most annoying ones. So this we have to put into a new file. In headers, we're gonna put that in ml paths.h, because that's what that, yeah. Save, paste that in. We're gonna go pragma once. It's been a decade. I think it has been a decade since that was implemented. In C11, I think. For C++. For C, jeez. Yeah, C standard. Yeah, C11, so that's the first one. When? What the hell? When? I can't type. When was C11? It's been a decade since Pragma once was introduced. Is there even people? Oh, there was. So now we have that. We don't really need that. We use MiLa? We do use MiLa malloc, don't we? Ooh, that's dangerous. we use malloc, and you should use MiLa malloc. So we need to include MiLa.h in that one. That's why we needed to forward declare that. Forward declared here, but now here we can go ml MiLa dot h. We don't need to, yeah. We can do this, that, and then this goes into this. There we go. What else is there to do? Was it I forgot what it was. Whoops. Clangy. Oh, I see. Oh. Oh yeah, right. Ooh. The hell is it? There it is. You. There we go. Here we go now. Oh, whoops, that was the exact file I needed to change. Just close the other ones. Oh, no, it's, yep. Why is it safe? Not define safe build. Weird. Then why is it when it isn't? Oh. Whoops. There we go. Ooh. Where was it? Mats. Can I do it here instead? No, no. Needs to be the C one. Okay. Ah. There we go. Pretty sure I did define that. Oh, what? Oh. Whoops. Round. What? 207. 215. Okay, so these two. What? I pressed too much. Dude. I need to change this name though. Huh. How do I implement this? Huh. So I guess we need to find the last size T. No, that should not be, because we need to denote failure. So yes, we start with -1. This we start with -2. Just not. We need to compare from the last part. Yeah, that should work. So now we just go for I guess we start with 0. Same for B. Good thing I made this. I'm so fond of this function. We need to free this though. What? It's actually there. Oh. Was it? Nope, not there. There we go. And then we in here in the end we free list A, list B. This actually needs to be val release. Should work. Should have returned now. Weird. Why? Weird. Why does that not work? My programming language. Welcome to the stream. That's weird. That's weird. Huh. Weird. Why doesn't that work? It's a programming language. It's the name. doesn't return it. Yup. Still a head. It's a massive headache though. Why won't you work? That's very weird. Should have worked. This is the source code. It's in C. Okay. It doesn't trigger. Why? If I move this up, where do I move this up? So that's the globe. That's the string. Addition. String. Not equal. Equal. Where is less than? Nothing else is. Or defaults. This should be last actually. Don't you know? I don't know. I just developed an interest for it. I saw some tutorial in YouTube. I actually started with Python, not this C. What is it? Oh, that's true. Oh, whoops. Wait, no, that is perfect. Was it? Should stop. What? No, it's an error. Oh, not the whoops. Easy. Oh well. Do that. After that. No, we just do this. Yup. It falls. Does nothing. Typing a. Why doesn't it work? Thanks. That would help a lot in my. That would help me climb up the algorithm. Why don't you work? Okay, so we have MiLa list and MiLa list. Should still be the same. Why is it not working at all? It serious? Oh, you've got to be. No wonder. Why did that not get set? Okay, gotcha. How did I not notice that before? I keep confusing the two. So, yeah, that is true. There we go. So, sometimes I do program when I'm watching like Chodding, if you know who that is. So we could already compare it by length, then start comparing. Yeah, that could work. Length. I actually don't prefer Arch. I did like it because it was cool and I can brag that I use Arch, but it's overrated. It's overrated. Arch is overrated. Because this is res is equal to So greater. Why is this not one? I'm glad that we came to the same conclusion. I would recommend something not as complex as Arch. Probably Ubuntu. Ubuntu or like Ubuntu or actually I know that's the only distro that I have on mind. Ubuntu. You can just call it enter. Otherwise we calculate more stuff. So now here we will calculate what we should return by. People. Hello. Who is this? Methods. Yes. So -1 would be true. Otherwise, that would be 0. Here we compare if rest is equal to -1. Welcome to the stream. Default would just return people 0. I mean, yeah, should work. So if I go here, I have to actually. Okay, good, that works. But if they're the same length, since we don't compare the item, whoa, weird. Very weird. Where is it? There it is. What the hell is this? So what's this then? Oh, if it's both null, then it's that's useless. We don't have null. That condition earlier, I don't know too. That must have slipped. So if there's Jesus, we use pointer equality for it's fine, I guess. So if it's the same point, although that's very unambiguous in MiLa. What do you mean? This works. I have tested it before. Where was I? Yes, this. So how do I Also this becomes false weirdly, but yeah, we need to put this before that equality check, otherwise that would fall down into the pointer equality check. Where is it? This. That's not just for strings. That should fix our problem here. Boom. That's true, not necessarily just because we don't check the items. So now we can compare the items. It's a programming language. I can do this, right? Good. The comma operator saves the day. That should do that, right? So if I go print, yeah, no, this makes sure that the length is equal, so that's fine. List A, last B. So actually we don't need this. We can go here, size the index. Oops, there we go. Should work. Why is this? Oh, right. Can't just do that. Alright. So now we can just do this. See no. Wow. Where is it see now? Weird. False. See null 90. Guess we need to rework that. Weird, it's not printing anything when it should be. What? Oh, that's why. Boom. Okay. Still not working. Why? Hello? Whoops. Weird. It's greater than -1. So this should have done something. What? Weird. probably can do that because they're the same. Fine. Ouch, my leg. Okay, now it did print out good. Should still work. No, it doesn't work. Oh, okay. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Okay, it works again. So we need to take the double. Is a index. Such creative naming. Oh, that's the problem. How do we... Great. How? So what we want is for list to represent versions. So for example, the version 1.2.3 would become 123. And if we want to compare 123, if it's greater than 234, such creative thinking, we need to check which... How can we check this? So this is the most... We could get away with it if we... Scheiße. Should work, right? It is a double. What are you talking about? Okay. Eh? Oh, because we're 0 by default. Okay, gotcha. So now we don't print anything because yay. 2 plus 1. Maybe it would work. Let's find out. Either that or we get a buffer, underflow or overflow, whatever. Nope, we don't get anything at all. Let's try and print out last day. Let's see. 991. So if that's 1, then this should index the C null part, print it out, then go for another loop for the 0 index. So this should actually be 0. But it's not. Oh, this actually would look for 2. This doesn't work for some reason. Why? Oh, Okay, we're good. Okay, finally, we're getting somewhere. So now, since we are going from the last part to the major part, we just overwrite our findings, I guess. So, if the last numbers, the first two numbers are less than each... Oh, actually, we didn't need to... Fudge. I did something complicated when I didn't even need to do such complicated thing. I overcomplicate things. We just break at the first... we break at the first difference. But we need to be... Oh. We need to check if the last tail... If the tails are the same or not. If they are the same... Then that means that we can compare the first... Whoops. Oh, this is recursive. This is a recursive problem. Oh no. Ah, scheiße. Because if we see the difference here, this is less than this. We need to check if these last tails are equal. Wait, no, we're not checking. Yeah, I'm overcomplicating things yet again. Oh my goodness. If DA is greater than DB, then res is equal to 1. Then we break. This becomes -1. So if we compare 1, 2, 3 is less than 2, 3, 4, it works. Do this, it also works. This should have the same thing. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay. The only problem is this. It returns 0 for non-valid ones. That's a problem though. We need to check if it's... I guess. We can check it. If it's not a number. Numeric, was it? This number. Or, whoops. Let's do this. we're gonna go to end. Actually, no, we're just gonna go clean up, I guess. We're gonna clean up early here because that's an error. That's an error. What we're gonna do is basically we're gonna yeah, return the error. So profitable. There we go. Lexical comparison, I don't know. I guess we're gonna call it that. What did they call it? There we go. And then we free item wrapper. And then we return message. Yay. That's ooh. Heap use after free. 100 something in binary out 5157. Ah, sumimasen. Stupid of me. It should work now. So we just needed if that was equal. So the problem is the I don't know why I'm doing a French accent here. Yeah. What? EQ or any. We're gonna do the same thing. We're actually gonna how do we do this? We have access to the items, so I'll go to end. Yep, clean that up. Oops, that should have been. Yep, and here we go. It's so smart. Oh, whoops. Where is this equal to 0? And we break, of course. Actually, no, we don't. What? Yeah, just a second. Oh, truth. We shall call it the truth. There we go. Slide to escape from reality. Look in your eyes, look up to the skies and see. You're so sure. What? You're so wrong. Nothing really matters. Ooh. Ooh. I'm still the man. We've been against it. On my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, I could just because I love all away. Mama, you didn't need to make you cry. I'm not back again this time tomorrow. Carry on, carry on. Nothing really matters. My time has come. Send shivers down my spine. Body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind. Face the truth, Mama. Ooh, I don't wanna die. I'm not born at all. See a little silhouette on the wall. Oh, whoops. That should be true. For me, for me, for me. Do you think you could drop me and spit in my eye? Do you think you could drop me and leave me to die? Oh, baby, drop me to me, baby. Just get out of Okay, we're good now. No memory leaks as well. That's good. Less than or equal. Greater than or equal. Less than or equal. That should be true. We just need to add like that. That's it. Oops. Right. What? What? Spell the comma. Where? It's weird. Oh, oh, there we go. No wonder why that felt weird. There we go. 9 is definitely not my favorite number. Slash user slash bin. Slash user slash env bin. No, slash env bin. Env bin. MiLa. Yay! This is how you can declare parameters as scripts, so you don't need to just use argc, and this would be without a name now. This always is the argc in that. So now we have those. This I implemented that numerical comparison for lists because I was fixing the unused variable warnings with those. Oh, where was it? Where are those? Binary op. Like that. Of these two variables, this wasn't here like 10 minutes ago. Oh, what? This wasn't here 10 minutes ago. I am right. That's a lot of people. That's a lot of people. How long have we? 1 hour 16 minutes. Wow. That's a lot of people. I forget. I have one. I have a little bit over 100 subscribers. No wonder why I'm getting more viewers. That's cool. That is very cool. So anyways, where was I? Yes, this. Now we can fix other parts of the program. Well, we don't really have anything else to fix for now, because, well, there's no warnings. That's it. We'll be finished compiling, and yep, there it is. It still runs perfectly fine, though it's gonna be a little bit slower on the releases. On comparisons. Whoops, that misspoke there. And it's probably gonna be much more bigger in size as well. It's 264 kilobytes. Still small though. Ooh. Such mlmaths.h. MiLa.h. What? Why did that get triggered? Just all of a sudden. Oh. Makefile. Where is the makefile? I am blind. There it is. Small s doesn't really, yeah. Boom. Yeah. Small. Release. Then believe that it should still work. Ooh. Weird. Oh well. We should be able to Oh, test embed. Okay. Make test embed. Should. Ooh. Yeah, sadly we can't just include mild h anymore. And hey, it works. And I just hold on a second. I did not. I did not. Correct. I don't have my origin. Okay, we're good. We're good. We are good. What's what was in here? Oh, this was testing the HTTP stuff. Yes, mine has HTTP stuff in here. Yep, there. Yep. Yeah. Huh. So yeah, we do have HTTP support. We have HTTP support. Hooray! Where's the we have HTTP support here. Is it not great? This is the minimum lines required to call to make HTTP requests with MiLa. That 27 lines is all you need. Well, minus yeah, you need less lines if you remove the comments. But yeah, that's 27 lines right there. Probably 20 lines if you remove the comments. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that would be less than 10 lines of code. Less than 12 lines of code. If my estimation is correct, because I'm too lazy to think math. So yeah, you did. Yep. Uh-huh. We just post some random stuff, and then yeah, it didn't really reply, unlike here in example add-on test HTTP MiLa. This is what we get with this. So we have this header, user agent MiLa script, and then yep, we just print that, and then we do this because HTTP bin echoes back what we have, like here. So it's that. So that's the body, so that's the data. The headers is, well, yep, there it is. Stuff, the arguments there. The method, of course, we use. Why is it post? Oh, this is the response. This is the response. So yeah, this is the server posting information to us. So yeah, no files, no form. That's cool. Yay! So fun! Yay! 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 So yeah, you can probably go here and it's fine. So yeah, we can do HTTP stuff with MiLa. HTTP though, not HTTPS. HTTPS is a pain in the butt to implement. Where is the syntax highlighting? What was that? HTTP. HTTP. I don't have HTTP yet. That's weird. HTTP extension. Make sure that is Yeah, there we go. Get post. That's about it, isn't it? Oh, init. There is init and then cleanup. Although in here we don't, yeah, we don't really de-init it in. Where was it? Yeah, we don't do. Oh, there's the okay. We do cleanup there. So now, yep, got init cleanup, and that's about it. And that is in add-ins. Here it is. HTTP/HTTPC. Where's the There it is. Yeah, that's literally 4 functions, and it's less than 200 lines. Yep. And we have our own JSON format, by the way, and it's also here in examples. Here's the regular JSON format that we support. We have functions, and we do support IDs as names here, unlike like canonical JSON. That's what I call the strict type of JSON. So there's also an mjson file here, which is a JSON file, but you can put functions in here, MiLa functions in here. Yeah, MiLa I should, yeah, MiLa hyphen JS subject notation in supports lambdas. But this cannot like execute code. You can only say that, hey, this is a function. That's it. You cannot call functions here. So even if a parser isn't safe, what? Wait, I misspoke. Like if even if the parser can parse this and generate a MiLa object out of this, it can't run this by itself. It needs the runtime to actually fetch this field and then run it. So yeah, and yeah, that's it. Yay! So where was I? This is I have like, let's see, organize this. Yep. Wonder why. Oh, just a second. Oh, Angel with a shotgun, that's cool. And yes, I am listening to music right now. Wait, where was I? Yeah, this, correcto. Have that, right? The function. We do initialize all of those correctly. Yes. Let me refresh this. Oh. Web and ML web and socket in the HTTP. It's socket. Wait, what? I keep forgetting the name. Okay. Holy, my short-term memory is getting to me. just survive. I keep forgetting that. Okay, so HTTPC. H. Oh. Oh yeah, we don't need this. Yeah, that's Let me just skip this music. Looks and make this a lot of you. Where was this? What? Na 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 not me. Oh, bam bam na na na. Dum 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 dum. Say no, teenagers got the living shit out of me. Na 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 na. Na 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 na, but not me. Na na na, teenagers got the living shit out of me. Na 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 na. Yeah, that should all be good, but not me. Teenagers got the living shit out of me. Na 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 na. Na 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 na, but not me. So this should, yeah, that should do it. Nope, skip. Nope. Let me just choose a different playlist, cause playlist to Let's go. What song do I creep? Sure, fine. I will. Where's creep? Do I have creep? Where is it? I can't see. Is it at the bottom? I think it is at the bottom. Bottom of the playlist. So. Wait, I think I just. There's let down. Where's creep? I don't know. Creep here? Let down is here. There's no way creep won't be in here. So what? Okay, so it's still 40%. Okay, so where's creep? I can't see creep. What? I don't have creep in this playlist? That's weird. I have creep in another playlist. There's in console add the playlist, that playlist, go to the other playlist, go back the bottom. Wait, oh wait a second, I think I looked at the wrong. Oh, there it is. Before couldn't look you in the eye, just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You flow like a feather in a beautiful world. Yeah. So shower special, so fucking special. But I'm a creep. Whoops. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't know you. Control. Not a perfect song. I don't know that. Around. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Oh, oh, she's running out the door. She's running. She runs, run, run, run. Sweet. So happy. So fucking special. Wish I was special. I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong. was I? Oh, yes. Na, 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 what am I supposed to do here? Whoops. Dun, dun. Na, na, size the counts and then size. Ah, uh, oh, this is a different one, right? Commons are gone. Is it in here? Nope. Yo, that's good. Welcome to the stream. Where's the comments? So I need to fix the thing. Okay, so fine. Type def structs. That's not correct. We're gonna do some type punning because why not? Underscore dynamic array. What did I call it? Mask, because we're gonna be sure that it's always void star star items. So a pointer, an array of pointers of something that we don't know it, and then we are sure that it will always have size t, count, and size. So now that we have a mask, we can go here, go void da append. Thank you, Choding, for infecting me so much. void star array, then void star item da mask array is equal to array da mask. Go. What's the problem? Da mask with respect to pointer. What? Hey? How much time have I? Probably like since January or December last. I don't. It's I kind of like back then last year I started programming in C, but I stopped. Then I started and stopped again. So probably like accounting for me programming since January, probably 7 months. Why is this not working? I am casting it, and it is not casting. Used. Thought I can. Oh, can I? Is that copied? Okay, good. I will search this up because I am not good. This error happens when you're playing a pointer and physical pressure to struck maybe a mouse of the. Oh. Seriously? I accidentally shadowed an already existing there. What? Eh? Oh, okay. So you can ah? I don't get this. Oh, oh, oh. No, what? No, still? No? Thanks. Huh? Du bist ein so scheiße. This is a pointer. I did. Let me backtrack. Let me backtrack. So this is type. It's a type. It's a type. I cast this to this. It should be. Oh, son of a gun. Forgot to put. that's that's embarrassing. Anyways, now let's check. Also, if Ray is no, we return. We can't do anything, or better yet, we abort. We abort, cause well, the user did try to abandon a null array, so why not screen out it when they do so? There you go. No. Give them the pointer so because I am feeling generous. So now we have a mask. Well, we bullied the void pointer into a dynamic array. We have now the we now have the size count. Always make sure that the size goes first before the count. Otherwise, we would be having the wrong. We would be accessing the wrong field because yay structs. So we have items. So if it's null, then we items is equal to malloc void star size of void star. This would be void star. Now we can go over array items 0 is equal to item array count is equal to 1 and array size is equal to 1. Else if array size is less than or equal to array count plus 1, that means we need to grow the array. So now we're gonna go realloc, but we need to keep track of the new size. So we realloc. Now we go current size, and we just the optimal way would be to zero point 75. That should 76 should be good. What am I missing? Is there? Oh. What? Oh, right. Whoops. Second thing, does this? Yeah, it returns void. So this is what I need to do. And it's a warning why unused, so it does return. Okay, there we go. Start. That should work. Just in case this somehow fails, we go +1. So because there's cases like if the size is 1 and we try to multiply that by 0.76, we get it sometimes rounds to 0. You can't really, I don't know, it's just a second. Oop. And I am back. So yeah, there's some cases where when, oh yeah, we need this to be an integer. We need to cast this to an integer. Size t actually. Size t. So yeah, we need size t. So sometimes it rounds 0.75 to 0, and this just makes sure that we at least increase our size by 1. We need to calculate this new size. There you go. And then size count plus plus. We do a prefix operation because it's already wait, check though. Well, actually no, that's perfect because this is essentially a postfix. If we rewrite this into this, there you go. So that should not be there. We should have been able to cover every. Yep, that's good. Now we just need to check if this is null. Oh. Or we just abort. We abort. That's it. One wrong thing and we abort. I was about to make an appropriate joke there. Jesus. Yeah, I forgot. We need to test this. And now we shall test it. We have this. So now we can just... We need the function, a helper function to create this. So we're gonna go here and go clean up registry, start entry. And then make clean up entry. And then we're just gonna go accept the void function. A function that returns void. Whoops, fn. There. That's it. And then the name, which will just be used for what's the term? Debugging purposes. So yeah. Let me refresh the chat. I become paranoid of the chat because sometimes it doesn't refresh by itself. And I hate it. 30%. Wow. Laptop yeah. Oh, the laptop gets drained easily. Wrong button. There we go. So now let's go to I'm gonna put it up here. Clean up. So we have that. We're gonna go clean up registry entry star entry is equal to clean up registry entry star malloc size of clean up registry entry name is equal to MiLa stirred up name entry fn is equal to fn, and then return the entry, of course. Good, that's it. So now here we're gonna create, of course. Oh, whoops. Of course we're gonna create close that. We're gonna create the entry itself. Registry. Make cleanup registry. Alright. Oh, whoops. There we go. Free cleanup registry. No one would ever believe if I told them I started with Python. Because before I knew Python, I was very knowledgeable about hardware. So when I encountered C, I fell in love with it. Everything here is, well, explainable in raw assembly. This is just at the reference, and this stuff, just the function call and stuff. I did try assembly. The worst part is it was ARM assembly, because I tried making my own compiler on my phone, because I used Python for the compiler. I know, yuck. It was a simple stack-based programming language, but I did not upload it to GitHub, sadly, and I lost the original project. But it was good enough to call C functions. It was able to call printf, and that's the best. That was my best achievement. I was bamboozled, outright flabbergasted when I found out that ARM had 30 registries. I think I downloaded the ARM what is it called, spec documentation on ARM assembly, that big the big long PDF file. I downloaded that, I think, and I used that as ARM reference. There we go, the reference thing. Yeah, that's what I based it on. And my goodness, the headaches. Why can't someone make a I guess because assembly is basically talking to the bare metal, so we can't really make a universal assembly thing. Registry. What's the problem? Oh, it's because this. Oh, there we go. What now? Oh, there you go. Now it is. And we do not do anything. Oh, and we do set that to 0. Oh, whoops. MiLa malloc. Make sure that's always MiLa malloc. Entry count is equal to 0. Yup, it did take a long time. It took about a week. It took a week for me to actually, understand how to even call functions in ARM, because it's different from x86, which I have watched countless of tutorials on, and yeah, it's just what? Yeah, you just stare into the screen and wonder why. Why is it that way? Why? Yeah. ARM has 31 was it 31? And registers, I think, yeah, if I remember correctly, registers X0 to X7 is the general purpose registers. X30 is used for interrupts, which I forgot the instruction. It wasn't int like in x86. I think it was, I forgot. It was something else. ARM arm interrupts instruction. Oops. Yeah, it's that. And yeah, this is the one that I think I used. What? Why? It's confusing. I don't, for others it may not be, but you can't really infer the meaning of that three-letter thing. Assembly is just ARM assembly is just an amalgamation of abbreviations that people won't understand outright. At least x86 Intel assembly is much more pleasant. Interrupt is literally interrupt. It's int. Anyways, where was I? Free cleanup registry. All I need to do is iterate to this and free this and this and this. So what the hell? Oh, let me stop. And go index is less than why is it called entry? That should be registry. Registry probably did not. Yep. Yeah, registry. Yep. Registry, and we go here. Registry size. In count. Count. Not that word. Jeez. Up. So now we do that. So. And then we go registry. Registry. Oops. Index. Name. We free this. MiLa free. What the hell? Free. Oops, we don't have MiLa realloc. I just realized that we should probably. Oh, we do have MiLa. But is it? Yeah, it must. Yeah, there it is. It just returns realloc. We can't really memset it, but yeah. Wow, forgot about that. Where was I? Clean up. Okay, there it is. Found ya. This one as well. Clean up. Registry. There it is. So, oh, commons. There we go. MiLa realloc. There we go. Should work now. And yeah, that should work. So, whoops. We should create an instance now, should we? We can't just do that. We could, or we could not, or just use global. Yeah, let's just make it global. Yep. So we go here. Where is it? Lots of external stuff. So here is the public API and clean up registry. Registry. Oh yeah, I have to fine. There's registry there. And in MiLa C, we have to go up here and bam. Boom. And we go down here to the main function and actually initialize it. But we need to do MiLa init, which we don't do here, sadly. We do it in here, I think. Just we oh no we do MiLa D in it, but where's MiLa in it? MiLa in it. I couldn't hold back the oh G. Oh, there it is. So we do call MiLa in it. So I guess we can do it here. If not clean up registry. Boop, boop. Registry. There we go. That's it. And then in here, bam. So now it works. So even if you call MiLa init and MiLa D init multiple times, it will, well, actually it's yeah, we should only call this once. Users will only call that once. There you go. MiLa wasn't called. MiLa init wasn't called. What in the hell was that? Okay, here we go. It should work. And then in loads, library noisy. There's load library noisy. What in the hell is that? Why couldn't I have just... That's the wrong way to do stuff. Oh, is this... Me to the moon. Let me rain stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter. In other words, you're on my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart. Oh, fine. Oh, whoops. Oh. Forevermore. You. Oh, whoops. Are all I long for, all I and adore. In other words. Yeah, I forgot that there's Windows stuff here. Sure. In other words, I love you. Oh, you have to. Feel my heart strong and the beating forevermore. For make cleanup registry. Make cleanup entry. There we go. In other words, I love you. Ow. No warnings, no error. Okay, accept that. Because I forgot to put the init func. What? Eh? Oh. Oh, whoops. Oh, yeah, I forgot. What? Whoops. Clean up. Registry. Registry index fn. Whoops. G. Hey. Passing arguments of function with the prototype is deprecated in all versions of C and is not supported C23. Non-pro. Eh? Eh? I believe it was brought. In anonymous struct. To be fair, we are compiling in C11, if I am correct. In the make file, we do. Where's that? Where the? I can't see.